A very warmest welcome to everyone in my new video. Today we are going to discussing about the BHU entrance examination for MSc MTech in Food Technology for 2012 paper. The first question is asepsis refers to. The right answer is keeping out of microorganism. Question number 2. Browning in fruit and vegetable is due to. It is due to the formation of melanonidin pigment. Question number 3. Climatic and non-climatic fruit differs. It is due to response to ethylene production. Okay, this is the formula of ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2. Question number 4. Whey is rich source of protein. Okay, now question number 5. The ideal temperature for separation of cream in cream separator is. It is 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. Question number 6. The optimum churning temperature for churning of cream into butter is. Option D is correct, 9 to 11 degrees centigrade. Question number 7. As per PFA specification, ice cream should contain fat not less than 10%. The full form of PFA is it is preservation for food adulteration. I think so. Now question number 8. Ethylene at the concentration is most optimum for ripening in fruit. Option D is correct, 100 to 1000 micron 1 per milliliter. Now question number 9. Endosperm of food grains is rich in. Option C is correct, starch. Question number 10. Whey contain total solid to the level of 5 to 7%. Option A is correct. Question number 11. Dry milling of corn kernel is conditioned to the moisture content of. Option B is correct, 18 to 20%. Now question number 12. The sweetness in corn is due to. Option B is correct, maltose. Hard wheat is suitable for. Okay. Option C is correct, bread. Now question number 14. Marmalade is jelly-like structure which contains. Option B is correct, fruit peel. Now question number 15. Jelly sets at temperature of 105 degrees centigrade. Question number 16. Fruit squash contain minimum fruit juices as per PFA requirement 25%. Question number 17. Dry legume seed contain protein to the level of 20 to 40%. Now question number 18. Soya protein concentrate contain protein 70%. Question number 19. Fruit and vegetable are generally rich in vitamin C. Question number 20. Roasting in beans is carried out at the temperature of 200 degrees centigrade. Question number 21. Tomato contain red pigment. Option C. It is due to lycopene. Question number 22. Inversion in sugar syrup is carried out by. Option A. Heat treatment. Question number 23. Fat bloom defect in cocoa butter is due to. Option C. Uncontrolled fat crystallization. Question number 24. Conching in chocolate is carried out at. Option C. 55 degrees centigrade for 4 to 5 days. Question number 25. The density of milk after fat separation. Option B is correct, is increased. Question number 26. The most acceptable method for inactivation of enzyme is. Option C. Heat treatment. Now question number 27. Fruit product order was passed in the year 1955. Question number 28. Pectin is a carbohydrate. Question number 29. Respiratory activity continue after harvesting in. Option D. Fruit and vegetable. Question number 30. The current vegetable production in India is. Option C. 160 million tons. Question number 31. Clostridium botulinum is most effective at optimum pH of. Option B 4.6. Question number 32. Fruit and vegetable processing in India is carried out to level of. Option B 2%. Question number 33. As per FPO specification, jam should contain minimum fruit level of. Option C 45%. Question number 34. Tomato ketchup should contain minimum tomato solid as per FPO specification. Option B 12%. Question number 35. Sauerkraut refers to the fermentation of option A cabbage. Question number 36. Fruit juice squash is preserved with potassium metabisulfite to the maximum permissible limit of option D 350 part per million ppm. Question number 37. Vegetables are preferably dried at the temperature of option C 55 to 65 degrees centigrade. Question number 38. The most preferred test for testing the pectin quality in fruit is option B gel meter test. Question number 39. The flatulence defect in soybean milk is attributed due to option C oligosaccharides. Now question number 40. The most acceptable coagulant in manufacturing of tofu is calcium sulfate, option D. Question number 41. Malted milk food as per PFA contain solubility level not less than option C 85%. Question number 42. The total number of permitted synthetic food color under PFA is option D 8. Question number 43. Thermocouples in canning process help in option B determination of temperature at coldest point. Question number 44. The type of heating pattern in liquid canned product is option B convection type. Question number 45. Exhausting process during canning is carried out for option D combination of all the above factor. Question number 46. Lye peeling refers to the treatment of fruit and vegetable with option C sodium hydroxide. Question number 47. Pasteurization of milk is employed for destruction of Coxiella burnetii. Option B. Question number 48. Commercial storage temperature in butter is option C -23 to -29 degrees centigrade. Question number 49. Ice cream mix is maintained with milk solid not fat to the level of option D 10 to 11%. Question number 50. Fruit and vegetable after harvest are stored for long shelf life at temperature of option A frozen storage. Question 51. Fish during storage at -1 to -5 degrees centigrade result in the considerable denaturation of option B protein. Question number 52. Protective nutrients are option B vitamins. The maximum energy source of nutrient in human body is option C carbohydrate. Question 54. Bacteriological quality of milk is referred as very good with SPC per ml of option A not exceeding 10,000. Question 55. The shelf life of pasteurized milk under refrigerated storage is expected option C 3 days. The acidity of whey as compared to milk should be option B more. Question 57. Try process in marketing milk industry perform option B clarification, separation and standardization. Question 58. The fat globules in homogenized milk should be option B 2 microns. Question 59. The fat level in flavored milk should be less than option B less than 2%. Question 60. The acceptable acidity in buttermilk should be option D 0.75 to 0.85%. Question 61. PFA specification for double toned milk is option B 1.5% fat and 9% SNF, it means solid not fat. Question 62. Table cream contain milk fat option B 20 to 25%. Question 63. Whipping quality in cream refers to option D production of foam. Question 64. The skim milk should contain fat not more than option B 0.5%. Question 65. The moisture content of butter should not exceed as per PFA requirement option C 16%. Cream For the question number 66, cream for the manufacture of butter should be standardized to the fat percentage of option B 30 to 35%. Now question number 67, cheddar cheese should contain minimum fat as per PFA requirement, option A 30%. Question number 68, rennet is added at the temperature during the manufacturing of cheddar cheese, option C 30%, 30 degrees centigrade. Question 69, churning of cheddar cheese refers to option C storage at 4 to 5 degrees centigrade. Question number 70, processed cheese is manufactured by option D blending of cottage cheese with cheddar cheese. Question 71, sweetened condensed milk as per PFA specification contain option A not less than 9% milk fat and 31% total milk solids. Question 72. Now question number 72. Alcohol test is carried out to access the milk suitable for sweetened condensed milk. Option C. Judging the quality of milk. Question number 73. Lactose powder for crystallization in sweetened condensed milk should be of the size of option C 200 mesh size. Question number 74. Pantua sweets is prepared from which type of khoa? Option B dhap. Question number 75. The shelf life of paneer during refrigerated 7 to 10 degrees centigrade storage temperature is 7 days. Question number 76. The compression ratio of petrol engine is option B 4 to 10 ratio 1. Question number 77. A pair of block develop power equivalent to option B 1 horsepower. Question number 78. Two winds mill are equivalent to option A 1.0 HP. Now question number 120. Okay, now I am discussing question number 120 in the place of question number 79. Which milk powder should have maximum solubility index as per PFA? Option C 15. Question number 79. The diesel engine used on tractor is option D none of the above. Question number 80. The compression pressure of petrol engine inside the cylinder varies from option C 8 to 12 kg. Question number 81. The efficiency of external combustion engine ranges from option C 20 to 30%. Question number 82. The work of crankshaft is to option D all of the above. Question 83. The specific gravity of high speed diesel is option B 0.87. Question 84. Constant speed governor is used in option B stationary engine. Question 85. Black smoke indicate option A burning of lubricants in the cylinder. Question 86. Vapor lock is associated with option C fuel supply system. Question 87. The function of carburetor is option D all of the above. Question 88. For petrol engine, the maximum power obtained from 1 kg of fuel is option A 10.5 to 13.5 kg. Question 89. Thermostat valve widely opens at about option D 90 degrees centigrade. Question 90. Adventitious root grows from option D any part of plant body other than radicle. Question 91. A male genotype in angiosperm contain option D one male gamete and one tube nucleus. Question 92. A plant with 2n equal to 20 will have how many linkage group? Option B 10. Question 93. At the stage of fully turgid cell, the suction pressure will be option B 0. Question 94. Albinism in plant is associated with option D chromosome duplication. Question 95. Callus is option A an undifferentiated mass of cell. Question 96. Conifers are abundant in option B alpine zone. Question 97. Formation of new genes takes place due to option D mutation. Question 98. Generally embryo sac is option D octosporic. Okay. Question 99. Female reproductive organ in flower is option D carpels. 100. Question 100. The optimum C ratio N carbon ratio nitrogen ratio for maximum microbiological activity in biogas is option D 30 ratio 1. Question 101. Ammonium sulfate contain option D 24% sulfur. Question 102. The most effective wavelength of visible light in photosynthesis is in the region of option A red. Question 103. Photosynthesis is option B reductive endergonic anabolic process. Question 104. Which one of the following is a long day plant? Option A wheat. Question 105. The most common free ion in cell is option B potassium. Question number 106. Ketosis is caused due to the faulty utilization of option A sugar. Question 107. Render pest is caused by option C virus. Question 108. Arka Chandan is a variety of option B pumpkin. Question 109. Bulk population breeding is suitable for option C small grain crops. Question 110. Bunky top in sugarcane is caused by option D top shoot borer. Question 111. Cabbage is cross pollinated owing to option D self incompatibility. Question 112. Bud necrosis of groundnut is transmitted by option A thrips. Question 113. Ascorbic acid is option D inhibitor. Question 114. Arrowing is known as option B emergence of inflorescence in sugarcane. Question 115. Decomposition of organic matter in submerged soil is carried out by option A bacteria. Question 116. Foundation seed is obtained from option A certified seed. Question 117. Kernal bunt is caused by Neovocian Neovocea indica. Okay. Question number 118. One molecule of glucose on complete oxidation yield option C 36 ATP. Question 119. Onion variety suitable for kharif crop is option C Agrifound dark red.